A Roblox cheat leads to a massive corporate data breach? Yep. Let's break down the 2026 Vercel incident.
This whole thing exposed a ton of customer secrets, all stored right there on Vercel's hosting platform.
But the starting point? It wasn't some high-tech spy operation. It was a malware-infected Roblox cheat.
Okay, so the breach all started with one employee at a company called Context AI. That malware grabbed credentials, giving attackers keys to Context.ai's systems and their OAuth app.
And that is what's called an OAuth supply chain attack. It basically exploits the trust between connected apps.
So how does a breach at one company turn into a major incident at Vercel? Well, using that app, attackers hijacked a Vercel employee's account and just walked right into their network.
And get this, attackers were inside Vercel's network for almost 2 years before anyone even knew.
But what made this so bad was a critical design flaw in Vercel's platform itself.
It all comes down to how Vercel handled secrets by default. This was a huge part of the problem. Basically, if a dev didn't manually flag a secret as sensitive, it was plain text to the attackers. Someone on Reddit said it perfectly. Security should be the default, not something you have to opt into. And this whole thing wasn't an isolated incident. It was part of a much bigger trend. Yeah, look at this. In just a few weeks, we saw 3 huge supply chain attacks hitting different weak spots.
But they all had one thing in common. The target was always the same: developer secrets.
So, what can you actually do about this? Let's walk through the defensive playbook. First up, immediate actions. Audit your credentials and rotate anything that wasn't marked sensitive, now. And this is super important. You have to redeploy after rotating keys, or the old ones are still active. And for the long haul, get your secrets out of environment variables. Use a real secrets manager. It leaves us with a big question. When security isn't the default, who's really responsible for a breach?